This is an installation instruction video for the EE815WMC solar light. Step 1. Pre-installation preparation. Notice, the back of the packing box is the mounting holes template. Cut the mounting holes template and attach template at the location you want to install the light. Step 2. Drill holes in the screw hole position. Light can be mountable on any surface of wood, stucco and concrete, etc. Step 3. Insert screws. Drive 2 screws into the mounting surface where the template holes are marked. Tighten until about 1/8 inch of screws are visible. Note, for other surfaces such as concrete, brick or stucco, use a masonry bit to drill clearance holes. Insert the plastic anchors and screws. Step 4. Hang the light on the mounting screws. Remove protective film. Step 5. Activate the light. Long push the button to turn on the light. Cover solar panel to simulate nighttime. Light will on. Short push the button can change the light color. The light will automatically off in daylight condition. Notice, never have shadows or anything covers the solar panel during the day. The best installation direction is south. Avoid directing north. Unlimited applications. It lights up for stairs, side walkway, the area of entry, fence, signs, etc.